Hey everybody, just wanted to make a quick sort of pseudo unboxing of the Wizard of Oz Wicked Witch of the West from Polar Lights. And I don't have my video camera stand, and I'm at my mom's house, and so you might hear noise in the background. But anyway, this is sort of a impromptu quick video. So anyway, this kit, it's a resin kit. This kit comes in two variations. One is unpainted and one is painted. Definitely want to get the painted one. Okay, I'll tell you that right now. So it comes in this really nice box. Okay, and see the back here, 8.5 inches tall. This is a 1:8 scale. Okay, so when you open the box, you get the following. Hold on, guys. The box opens up like this, and then you get one sheet of instructions, just front and back. It comes packed in this really dense foam, really nice dense foam, which is really cool. Protects the thing. Got two levels here, and like I said, one set of instructions, and you get an option of which hands to use if you want the witch to hold the broom or not. We sort of did a combo thereof. I'll show you this in a minute. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. This is what the instructions look like. Very clear instructions. And it is right here. This is really a gorgeous set. The stand comes already pre-made. And I'll just show you. I initially thought I'd have to glue everything on the stand, but that's not true. Basically, the stand comes like this. The monkey, you glue his wings and his tail and his hands and his little peg foot there, which goes right on the display here. Okay, and you can twirl him around anywhere you want. This came in two pieces. This came with the globe with them inside already. This was already put together, just the globe with them inside. I thought I'd have to put those together, and the base. So I glued the globe onto the base. So here you can have this anywhere you want. And the witch, there's the witch. And as you can see, this is really nice, really nice. The arms and the head, they all have certain shaped pegs that fit in the slot, so you know what angle the arms are going to end up in. And like I said, we chose to put one hand that can hold the broom and one hand where she's just, the other regular hand. So you can position this any way you like this, or them in the middle or something like that. And that's it. This came pretty came pretty quick.
The details on
there are lots of details on the model itself.
Do you want to show
Very
us
nice,
the sleeve? Yeah.
very nice, creases on the sleeve, and the hat you had to glue on top also. Of course, you have to use all crazy glue because this is a resin kit. Like I said, very kind of heavy. This is not too light. So, and that's about it. It's a really nice kit. Definitely, if you like Wizard of Oz, this is definitely something you want to get. And this, the price on this is crazy. There's a crazy range. It's all over the place. Basically, I got this at Cult TV Man for about $40 shipped, and it's still that price, but this can range anywhere up to $100 and beyond. So definitely get the pre-painted one, because can't imagine having to paint that. You know what I mean, guys? I mean, I like painting, but that would have just taken so much time. So anyway, Merry Christmas to everybody, and can't find the peg through the camera. There it is. Okay, so let me get another close-up of the witch here. Get it to see what she looks like. See that? Isn't that cool? That is just like really cool. And let me get a picture of the globe here. There's Dorothy and the lion and the Tin Man, and the lights are killing me here. Scarecrow. My wife's over here telling me, hey, don't forget about the Scarecrow. Sorry. And you have the crazy monkeys here on the base. So, alright guys, until next time.